Welcome to day 3 of the SuiteCRM developer training session. In the previous video, we learned about the Builder module. We have explored packages, fields, relationships, layouts, and deployment. We also learned how the extension framework helps in building upgrade-safe customization in SuiteCRM. This video will focus your attention on the 3 most powerful customization concepts in SuiteCRM, which are logic hooks, scheduler jobs, and entry points. These features help the developers in automating tasks, executing background processing, and creating custom endpoints in SuiteCRM. By the end of this video, you will understand what logic hooks are, how scheduled jobs work, what entry points are, how these 3 components work together in real-world CRM automation. So let's get started. Before we start, let's understand what logic hooks are.
Logic hooks are an event-driven feature in SuiteCRM, which allows developers to execute custom PHP code automatically whenever specific events occur inside the CRM. These also help automate business processes without modifying the core file of SuiteCRM. Now, to a new format in Logic Hook, navigate to the Custom directory. Go to Custom, Extension, Modules, Accounts, Ext, Logic Hooks. In the section, click on New and enter the name after save hook PHP. Now navigate back to Modules, go to Accounts, and click New, then File. Enter the name after save hook PHP and click OK. Inside the file, define the array using the given code. After creating the hook file, we need to repair the SuiteCRM metadata. To do this, navigate to Admin Panel, Repair, Quick Repair and Rebuild. This step rebuilds the cache file and loads new customization into the CRM system. Once completed, the hook becomes live. Now, from the All tab, select Accounts and click on Create Account. Enter the name Test After Save and click on Save. To verify the save, open the aftersavehook.php, which will display After Save Hook Working.
Let us understand what scheduled tasks are. In SuiteCRM, scheduled tasks are background jobs that run automatically at specific intervals. Also known as Cron Jobs, scheduled tasks handle maintenance and automation tasks and do not require a user to be logged in. Go to Custom, Module Builder, Modules, Schedulers, Ext, Scheduled Tasks. Create a new file from the New tab in the Scheduled Tasks section and name the file updateaccountscron.php. In the new file created, register a scheduled task by entering the codes as displayed. Scheduled tasks can typically be used to send scheduled email campaigns, process workflow actions, run report generation, and clean temporary files. To verify the changes, you can go to the Admin panel and select Repair under Admin Tools. In Repair, select Quick Repair and Rebuild, which rebuilds the cache file and loads a new connection into the CRM system.
Go to the Admin panel and search for Scheduler, which is located in the System section. In Scheduler, click on Create Scheduler. In Job Name, enter the Update Accounts demo. Select Custom Cron Job Demo from the drop-down section of Job and click Save. The name of the function will appear in the Job drop-down field. After the creation of the scheduler function, it will run at the interval of 1 minute, as 1 minute was selected in the interval field.
Let's move towards entry points. Entry points is a custom access point into the application, which lets the user execute PHP code directly through a URL. Entry points can be used to create API-like endpoints, webhooks, file downloads, and custom AJAX endpoints. To register an entry point, go to Custom, Application, Extension, EXT, Entry Registry. Create a new file from the New tab and enter the name testentry.php. After registering entry point, it is important to verify it. To verify the entry point, the user can test both authenticated and unauthenticated requests. After entering the code, now create the entry point code file. Navigate back to Customs and create a new file with the name. The name of the file should be the same as the register file. Test the new file, enter the following code as displayed. You can also create custom code, which you want to display at the center point.
After repair and rebuilding, check the entry by entering the entry point or test entry point without file extension name in the URL after index.php. This will display the desired result directly in the entry point. After every change, it is important to test multiple key points like run quick repair and rebuild after metadata or hook change. Verify the hook fires on both new record creation and record updates. Check SuiteCRM.log for errors after running the hook. On day 3, we have learned the 3 most powerful customization features of SuiteCRM, namely logic hooks, scheduled tasks, and entry point. We have learned how to automate the execution of custom code using logic hooks, how to automate backend operations using scheduled tasks, and how to allow external systems or URLs to directly interact with the custom functions of SuiteCRM. On the next video, we will understand what outright utils is, what are its key function, and how to automate quick repair. The day also focuses on understanding about Flight Dashboard and how to use flight tools to generate SuiteCRM scaffolding automatically.